actually going to make this level a little bit harder.
Gaming for grades.
So what we're gonna
These
do-
Beaufort High School students are taking game design and development, learning hands-on how to create video games.
The basic overall of this class is they're trying to create games based off of different mediums. Like we start with board games, we move into PowerPoint, and then I give them programs like ClickTeam Fusion to actually design games that they can take home and play.
The students are using professional programs as they learn to code and program video games.
So once you have bouncing balls set up for your character, let's go ahead and go into our programming. So
The biggest thing that most students struggle with is definitely the programming. They get intimidated by it. They think it's this massive ordeal when it's really not. Especially with the program that we use, they're able to simply find the stuff they need, but sometimes they forget that information and they have to backtrack and try to figure it out.
Creating video games is both challenging and fun.
I like just thinking outside of the box to try to create something that nobody else has and make it unique. It teaches you how to problem solve, because if you have a bug or something, you have to try to figure out why it's happening.
This is a fun medium for them to actually express their creativeness, express their eagerness to be responsible, to take initiative, to problem solve.
The students have created several interactive games already this year.
The maze that we created, we personally did it like on our own perspective of it. So I made like over 50 something slides did it using PowerPoint.
The fruit drop game, and it's just, so you have a plane and it drops fruit and you try to catch the fruit.
By the end of the semester, the students will use all their game design knowledge to create their own unique games.
The students will have one big project in which they go out and create the game of their dreams. They get to choose what they want to do, what style it is. I kind of just sit back and let them have fun and create their own game.
A game design and development course is also offered at Bluffton and Hilton Head Island High Schools, and Bluffton Elementary School has an introduction to game design class students can take, offered through the school's animation design creation program. At Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School
This level's
District.
going to look exactly the same, but we're going to change up how our enemy character acts.